The International Space Station, ISS, will continue to exist. The space station's operations have been extended until 2030, but will the leaky and cracking orbiting lab withstand that long? The International Space Station is a beacon of peaceful international scientific collaboration and has returned immense scientific, educational, and technological achievements to benefit humanity for more than 20 years, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson said in a statement on Friday. NASA announced the commercial LEO, Low Earth Orbit, Destinations project earlier this year to assist private enterprises in building their own space station, with NASA as one of the many customers. Then, earlier this month, NASA announced that 3 companies had been awarded contracts to build and operate privately owned and operated space stations in low Earth orbit. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, Northrop Grumman, and NanoRacks are among the companies getting funding from NASA's commercial LEO Destinations (CLD) project, which was revealed on Thursday. Cracks were discovered in the Russian Zarya module in September, according to a former NASA astronaut Shepard, who was one of the first persons on the ISS.